We will guide you through how to find my KakaoTalk ID. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, unlock your smartphone and connect to a stable internet connection before beginning. Open the KakaoTalk app on your Android or iPhone. Then sign into your KakaoTalk account if you are not already logged in. Wait for the KakaoTalk home screen to load completely before continuing. Next, tap the settings or gear icon on the upper right corner of the screen. When a new tab appears, select the General Settings option. Browse through the available settings and locate the Manage Profile button. Click the Manage Profile button to continue. On the Account Information page, check the ID displayed for your profile. Review the QR code and ID carefully to make sure they belong to your KakaoTalk account. There is also another option you can use to see your ID. Go back to the KakaoTalk homepage to access this alternative method. From the homepage, select the Add Friends button on the upper right corner of your screen. When the Add Friend page has loaded, you will see the QR code and your ID. Browse through the available options and locate the KakaoTalk ID option. Select the KakaoTalk ID option and look at the KakaoTalk ID displayed on your screen. Compare the displayed information with the account details you previously checked to make sure everything matches correctly. Take a moment to review the characters in your ID carefully, especially letters, numbers, or other details that could be easy to confuse. If you need to share your ID, write it down or copy it carefully so another person can search for the correct account. Avoid sharing private information such as your password or verification codes. Finally, confirm that you have found the correct KakaoTalk ID and can now use it when needed.